Hello, and welcome to Pure English Talk. My name is Hannah, and I'm so happy you're here to learn with us today.
And I'm Jake. It's great to be here with you. On our show, we help you learn English for real-life situations. We want you to feel confident speaking English every day.
Exactly! And today we have a very practical lesson. We are going to the grocery store.
That's right. Going to the grocery store is something many of us do every week. Knowing what to say can make the experience much easier and more enjoyable.
So in this episode, we will teach you simple, useful phrases for finding items, asking about prices, and talking to the cashier. By the end, you'll be ready for your next shopping trip.
Let's get started. Okay, so imagine you are in the store. You have your shopping list, but you can't find something. Maybe you are looking for milk. What can you say, Hannah?
Good question. The first step is to find an employee. A store employee is a person who works at the store. You can politely get their attention by saying, "Excuse me."
Right. Excuse me is a very polite and useful phrase. After you say that, you can ask your question.
You can ask, "Where can I find the milk?" Or if you want to be a little more formal, you could say, "Could you tell me where the milk is?"
Both of those are perfect. The employee will then tell you where to go. They might say something like, "It's in aisle 3. An aisle is the long path between shelves in a store.
Aisle 3.
Or they might say, "It's over there, next to the cheese."
And after they help you, always remember to say thank you.
Of course, a simple thank you is always appreciated.
Okay, great. Now for our next situation. Let's say you found the item you want, but you can't see the price. You want to know how much it costs.
Right, that happens sometimes. So if you are holding one item, like one apple, you can ask, "How much is this?"
How much is this? Very simple. But what if you have more than one? For example, you have a bag of apples.
Then you would change "is this" to "are these." You would ask, "How much are these?"
That's a great tip. So we use is this for one item and are these for many items.
Okay, now let's put it all together. Hannah, are you ready to role play a conversation with me?
Yes, I am. Let's do it. I will be the customer, and you can be the store employee and the cashier.
Perfect. Let the scene begin.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
The pasta is in aisle 4 with the pasta sauces.
Aisle 4. Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now I am ready to pay. I will go to the checkout counter.
Hello. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you, I did.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Would you like a paper or plastic bag?
I would like a paper bag.
You got it. Your total is $15.50. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll use my card, please.
Okay, you can insert or tap your card now. All right, here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Now, for a very common scenario, ordering sliced meat or cheese from the deli counter. Hi there, could I get half a pound of sliced ham, please?
Certainly. Would you like it sliced thin or thick?
Then,
Sure, no problem. Is there anything else that I can get for you today?
No, that will be all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
And scene. That was a great example of a simple, successful conversation at the grocery store.
Now we are ready to move on to the practice portion of our lesson, where we will review commonly said phrases in a grocery store.
That's right. So, we are going to say each phrase slowly. Please listen and then repeat the phrase out loud.
Don't be shy. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Ready? Let's begin. Excuse me. Where can I find the bread?
Excellent. Could you tell me where the eggs are?
How much is this?
You're doing great. How much are these?
I'll use my card, please.
Perfect.
Have a nice day.
Wonderful work. That practice will really help you remember these phrases.
It really will. And that brings us to the end of our lesson today. We hope you feel more prepared and confident for your next trip to the grocery store.
Remember, every time you practice, your English gets a little bit better. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
That's so true. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to Pure English Talk. It helps us create more lessons for you.
And please leave a comment below. Tell us where you're listening from, or maybe share another situation where you would like to learn some English phrases.
We love reading your comments. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.